some of the typical questions that customers will ask about the Cube is, does my part fit? Is the accuracy applicable to what I'm trying to do? What kind of part can I fit in it? Is it the right weight? The answers to those questions are, the accuracy of the system is about 78 microns. The part size, you can see if it fits through the garage door, it's about 3.1 meters in size. The weight of the part, it's a very robust system, so it can fit about 3,000 pounds. What are the safety mechanisms of the system? You can see that we have the garage door, and if I bring the garage door down, get my hand stuck in the way, it will prevent me from bringing any parts or introducing any parts. If I'm inside the cell itself and I press the garage door, it's obviously not going to function. We have the 4 scanners preventing me from coming into the cell and doing any kind of work while I am inside the cell. If I'm outside the cell, again, we have the normal emergency stops on the brake, on the teach pendant, and on the Cube itself. How long is it going to take me to program my parts? Depending on the part size, depending on what kind of features you're trying to extract, it will vary. But parts like these, as Jerome and I were talking, it took about an hour and a half to program. And once you do that one time, you can continue adding to the program to see if you need to add more features, extract different kinds of measurements. But once you do it one time, that program is saved. You can upgrade it, like I was talking about before, and essentially you can run that program 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, or however long your shop is open. We have the forks that we can use to introduce the parts to the cell itself. Typical forklift size for the fork separation. Cool things about the cell, it's a self-sufficient tool. You can incorporate the automatic calibration. You can incorporate the automatic calibration for both the C-track and the MetroScan. So instead of having to manually calibrate like we have on our manual systems, you can incorporate the program into your routines to calibrate every 15, 20 scans every day, every hour, anything that you want to customize to your specific tasks. The good thing about the productivity station, like Jerome was talking about before, is it will parallelize your operation. So as you're working, as the cell is working with one part, you'll be able to inspect that part dynamically and introduce a new part to cut down your cycle time. The part that we demonstrate over and over again is the Chevelle. The Chevelle with the parallel scanning decreases our cycle time by about 20-25%, which over the course of a day, 2 weeks, a month, a year, it's a lot of manpower that we can gain for production.